Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can delete Instagram account. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and your profile page will be displayed. On this window, tap on the hamburger menu at top right corner of your screen and then select Settings from inside of it. Now, access the Account Center at the top and a bunch of features will appear. Once you are on this page, tap on the Personal Details feature and then select Account Ownership. Inside this tab, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Then choose your target Instagram account. After that, checkmark Delete Account and then select the reason for this action. Now, tap on Continue. Again, tap on Continue. And then you will be prompted to enter your account password in order to confirm the action. So that's basically how you can delete Instagram account. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.